Number, singular or plural. We use singular form to talk about one person or thing. We use plural form to talk about many persons or things. Mostly we add s to a singular form to make a plural form. Ball, ball plus s, balls. Bird, bird plus s, birds. We add es to singular words ending in s, ss, ch, sh, o, x to make them plural. Bus plus es, buses. Brush plus es, brushes. Box plus es, boxes.